Hello Learners, welcome to bmodeler.com. So in this video tutorial, we're going to watch a wall. What are the types of wall available? Vertical and slanted and sloped options are available by default. From the new versions, it's available. And before that, if you're not subscribed to bmodeler, do subscribe. We are making a continuous video every day to learn a simple thing every day. It's much more easier. And if you're not subscribing, you'll forget that. And you'll forget totally revert also. And do remember, and there is a video tutorial about a series we have about architecture and MEP tutorials as well, and we are coming up with other BIM tools as well. So if you're a beginner, if you're using a new version, you must try these options. If you're migrating to that, I'm using Revit 2026, and if you're taking a wall tool, so I have taken a exterior basic wall. Everybody, we knew that we can draw this wall, and we can change this to fine and see the wall detail much in much more detail. So I can copy this into multiple times and see what is the three options we have. So by default, when you are drawing these options, which is having, you can see that it's a straight vertical wall. There is a property which is introduced, cross section, what cross section that you needed. It is vertical. And the next one that I'm going to change that is slanted. So you can see that nothing changed, but the property is introduced. We can change the slope property, which is 30 degree, and you can see that the wall is automatically slanted into 30 degree, and you can create similar options, CS or right click, create similar, and you can draw the walls that you needed, any shape that you wanted. So automatically it will be in that shape. So coming back here, when you have another wall, and you can have another option which is very interesting, tapered, and you can see this error which says that the wall type is not compatible because it is not defined in their type. We can duplicate and do it, or we can do the same way we need it and go to the edit type of the wall type that we have, and you can see that cross section I have already enabled to see what is happening in this place. And the thing that we have to do is which side it, or which layer which will change based on the changes that we are making, which side it should change. Is it finish side, or construction, or concrete, or core structural change? You have to pick those options, which is variable, which leads to the material changes when we are applying the. And also do remember whether it is interior or exterior side. I'm making it as tapered, and enable the angle overrides, and I can enable that, and I can change the value as 30. So this is how you'll be able to change the angle. Again, you can give a create similar, and you can go ahead and create the shapes that you needed like this, and the walls will be with the sloped value like these, and you will be able to create the shapes that you needed. I hope you understand what are the three options available. It was not there in the previous versions, and 25 it's there, and before that 2020, if you are using those versions, it won't be there. And these are the new options available with the recent versions, and which is much more needed for the much more complicated shapes that we are doing in these common days that we have. We used different tricks to accomplish this, but now this options is very much useful by default. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Do let me know in the comment sections that if you want to cover any other tools options available which is hidden somewhere that you wanted to learn sometime. You wanted it as a short course, a short video. I will be able to do it. So do share it with your learning friends, and thank you so much for your support. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.